Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of this smartwatch from the brand Fire-Boltt, model number BSW005 and the name is Ring. Let's get started. Now this is a smartwatch from the brand Fire-Boltt. You can see the name of the product is Ring, Bluetooth calling it has. It is a full touch smartwatch with SpO2. Nowadays, a lot of people prefer to have a smartwatch wherein they can monitor their oxygen level, and this one is truly best for that. Here you get 43 mm big dial. That means you get 1.7 inches HD display. Also, you have Bluetooth calling, you can do SpO2 monitoring, you can also do your heart rate monitoring, you get multiple watch faces. Now, other features like Bluetooth, I already told you. It has, you can also count the number of steps you have taken in a day, and this watch lets you do that. You also get a remote camera, there's music control, and there is message reminder as well. Now, it also comes with IP67 waterproof. That means if some water splashes on it or by mistake your watch gets submerged in water, still it will not get spoiled. Now that's again a very good thing to have. Now let's quickly open the box. This is Ring smartwatch from the brand Fire-Boltt. You also get the charging cable inside the box, and there is this user manual. You can read it through to understand what all features are in there inside the watch. Now some other paperwork that's there. You also get this, congratulations, you have won the exclusive Boltt Play app membership. You also get this card, plus there is this card from Ghana. You get 3 months subscription, and what else? You get this thank you card, plus there is this free Z5 premium subscription card. So these cards you get along. Now let me quickly show it to you how the watch looks like. This is the strap. It's full black in color, and the feel of the product is nice. The strap is very soft. So even if you wear this for longer hours, even if you wear this while working out, you won't feel any pain on your wrist or any pressure on your wrist. It's soft. And here are the sensors, and these sensors actually measure your heart rate, your blood pressure, your SpO2. And let me remove the sticker also. This is how you get full HD display, and therein you can, access all the features. You can put your sedentary reminders, you can put alarm here, and everything, your message reminders and all come in here. You can do the different settings, the brightness setting and everything can be done on this. So this was it in the unboxing video of Ring from the brand Fire-Boltt. You get the main watch, you get the charging cable, some paperwork, and you also get a user manual. This was it in the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned in for more.